we got ignited to do something very, very important for us, for our society. So let us come back to the topic of the talk. So, everybody knows what is the manufacturing. So it is the process of turning raw materials or parts into finished goods through the use of tools, human labor, machinery, and chemical parts. So we all are from mechanical engineering, so we know that there may be three kinds of manufacturing processes. If we classify them: subtractive, formative, and additive. So we will try to have focus on the additive manufacturing here. Subtractive is used to remove some material to convert raw material into the useful goods. And formative, the loss of material is very, very low. And in additive manufacturing, we just try to minimize the loss of the raw material also. So additive means it comes from the addition. So when we make any object by layering material over another layer, layer by layer. So it gives us a 3D product. And in subtractive, we used to remove the material like this. So this is additive manufacturing and this is subtractive manufacturing. So there are some basic differences. No material wastage takes place in this process because whatever stream we have given through a particular steel goes to a machine, so it tries to replicate that shape on a particular bed. So without wasting the raw material. And in subtractive, as we know, a lot of material is wasted. Complex shapes can be easily fabricated. Structures containing fully closed internal hollow parts can also be produced by this process. But hollow parts with a single component is impossible to manufacture using subtractive. So these are some advantages here. Sometimes we can get quality as per the requirement of the particular product. So if we go for the evolution of additive manufacturing, so it was evolved around 1770. Mechanization took place. In 1946, first computer was invented. So all these things are interrelated. So with the help of, because if all these things would not have been involved, so it was not possible to have anything manufacturing. So these are very, very important component of the additive manufacturing, or they play a very vital role in additive manufacturing. So in 1988, the first commercial product was made. So this we can say that from 1988 we have come to the additive manufacturing. So nowadays we see the adoption of additive manufacturing in the industries. So you can see there are few industries which have around 20% participation of additive manufacturing, like automotive, aerospace, industrial machines. So these are the industries where additive manufacturing is very much adopted by the industry. So it is expected that AM industry growth continues over the next few years, and the sale of AM is expected to exceed around 15.8 billion US dollar worldwide by the investors. So it is going to play a very, very important role. So this is the additive manufacturing. So basically, it's a prototype. Sometimes it is known as free-form fabrication. We also you can say sometimes. So it has a lot of names, 3D printing, right? So you can see on the left side there is a car, and if you want to recreate it, so you can see a different layers of the right side clearly visible. So you can see a difference between right side, two cups are available with the layer thickness of different components with different layer thickness. It means depending upon the quality of the printers, depending upon the materials or the technology is there, we can have different surface finish. So depending upon our requirement, we can select different type of additive manufacturing process, because additive manufacturing process has now come to that particular stage where we have a lot of companies who are actually working, they have very good quality products also. So now it is very established technology. where we can get the product of our desired quality. So using general purpose machine to create a physical object, where the design of the structure is provided to the machine at build. So we can give design in the form of codings to a particular machine, and the machine gets their input from the feeder, and then it is using different type of technology, it creates the unique objects. So basically, these are the simple steps of manufacturing. First, we create a CAD model. Then we convert the model into the order scale model. Then second stage is the printing. So basically, we can categorize into three steps. First is modeling, so this is the software part. Second is the printing, which is done on the machine using that STL file in the slicer, because whatever 3D model we create, it is to be sliced in number of layers or slices as per the requirement of layer buildings. Then layer by layer. This is the printing section. And the third is the finishing. Finishing is we remove the part and then after fabrication, so that is over. Sometimes we need to do the post processing to convert it to give it to a particular surface finish as per the requirement, and the last the application will be usage. So these are some examples. Different types of 3D manufacturing. So 3D printing processes layer by layer addition. This in every industry it is acceptable, whether it is from biomedical engineering or it is electronics engineering or it is engineering or in construction. So all the things nowadays, 3D manufacturing is adopted. So these are different types of processes for the manufacturing. We take one by one. Not going into the next detail, I will take the superficial of the technology, and because is anyone who would be interested can go and do the deep dive into the particular technology. So these are the steps that we module, the converting, slicing, and building most processes. So already we have discussed it. So here you can see here the technologies we work is scale conversion is high transfer machine and for building the program that it is removing of the part which is fabricated or which is 3D printed or this on those process. So these are the different types of additive manufacturing processes like selective wafer sintering as well as stereolithography, SLA, powered by blue jet printing, 3D printing from the laser, like the nylon powder later, it is SLS, and then we used to melt the plastic filaments with the help of that